ain't got up and do no plants. But we talking about the business though. So hell, I told y'all I'm here all day, baby. I'm here all day. Y'all gonna be hitting the replay like popcorn with him. Hell, he told you how to get your credit fixed, start a business, because now you're at $36,000 every time you go into a bank. It's minimum starting off, because you only need three good running business banking lines, and then you get into the unlimited business credit options. But we're not talking about that yet, because hell, y'all can't handle the 36,000 every time you go in the bank to begin with. I went in here with $500 to start these four accounts. That's $250 a piece. You want to look good when you go in there. You see what I'm saying? You want to look good when you go in there. Of course, it's keeping the paperwork right legally, because we done showed you exactly what you're going to use credit for. So when you get more access to money, you know what to do. Well, I was using this credit to pay my bills. Okay, since you're a business owner, apply it that way too. Okay, well, what are your business bills? Well, damn, now I can buy more buildings and shit because I got the down payment money on. Well, damn, I didn't think of it like that. I got access to this fucking money because hold on, let's see, 36,000 per business line. If I go get if I go set up four new bank accounts and come back with 36 times four, hell, I could go buy a property with straight fucking credit for cash type shit. You see what I'm saying? Full, just buy it out, pay for it. Now there's no note on it or nothing, but the credit card payments. But the credit card payments, which are the bank loves you because you came in. Hell, your minimum fucking payment on the credit card ain't gonna be nothing. Because let's see, my minimum payment on my $3,000 Chase card at the moment is $40 a month. Now let's extrapolate that. You see what I'm saying? If you add a zero to the three, you make it the 30, right? Yeah, make it 30. From 3,000 to 30, okay. Then you go from four, what? You go from 40 to fucking 400. You'll be paying $400 a month per credit card that you maxed out for $36,000. Come on now. And that was the loan you needed for buying a fucking business location. Yeah, come on now. There's cheat codes out here, baby. Shouts out to your coach out here coaching today. I ain't gonna give y'all too much more of this game for free. Although I will, because that's what we do. Hell, we on YouTube trying to kick it. You know what I'm saying? I get y'all motherfuckers rich. Y'all gonna be sitting here looking like, well, damn, popcorn. I actually see you making the moves. Not just that you talk about it, but you actually making the moves. Hell, like I said, all it took was for you to start. Then in a couple months, I know where you at by your results, right? Because it takes the first 6 months to get it in, and it ain't even really the first 6 months. The first thing you got to do is add up your bills for a month, multiply that by six, and then that's your plan, right? Because your next 6 months is okay. I'm gonna get this bill money together. Then the only thing I got to do with my credit card is pay all my fucking bills. Then 6 months later, I've rebuilt my credit as far as things I need to worry about. Anything that's already on there falls off after 7 years, so it'll fall off. So we ain't gonna have nothing new that's gonna be bad on our credit report because my new credit cards are to pay bills. And you practice with the first one. The first one was my bill money, so therefore every month I just pay my bills. 6 months later, now you done created the new habit. Cause guess what you done did? Hell, you fixed yourself. Fix yourself. I mean, it's that easy. Well, shit. At 18, you start having bills that you're going to be responsible for. Because, most parents will tell you, well, soon as you feel like you can do everything, well, let me start having you do everything, right? Good parenting. That's where it starts in. Okay, sure. I'm going to take care of my kids the rest of my life. You could be one of those kind of parents, or you could be like me. You motherfuckers are Spartans. At the age of 6, I'm sending your ass into the desert. If you don't make it back, peace out. I had 20 kids for a reason. Some of them weren't going to make it. Sound like Thor in this bitch. Hey, you were born as guardian. That's all I can say. If you were not a survivor, you weren't meant to survive. It's a cold world. Cold world.